Y'all, tell Boxy Charm, tell Joe. I emailed them and told Joe I need to be on his PRI list so that I can get my boxes quicker. So why don't you guys email them and tell them?
I might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Hey girl, hey, it's Brittany Chanel back with another Boxy Charm unboxing. Y'all, I already filmed this video and then I realized my sound wasn't working. So it's a fail. You may see some clips inserted here of me using the products because I did demo them on my face today and I may try to do a voiceover. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what I got. This month's theme is XOXO Boxy Charm. And this was my choice item. I did go ahead and choose the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. It says this Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity as well as make you feel nostalgic. Again, I did just use her, so ignore, you know, the pans are a little bit because I use them. And yeah, this retails for $38.99. Again, this was my choice item. Next up, I have the Tula Skin, the Probiotic Superfood So Poreless. It is a cleansing scrub, which I am excited about this. I'm definitely going to try this out. It says, got pores, get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and with hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. This retails for $32. Next up, we have the Wander Beauty Cheek and Lip Combo. This is the Boxing. It retails for $22. It comes stacked like this. On top, you have the cream blush here. And then on the other side, you have the little cheek, like the cheek stuff, whatever that is. It says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. Next, I got the Glamour brushes. They came with 4 brushes. They do have hearts like this. I did not like these brushes at all. I felt like they were for a kid, so I am going to clean them and give them to my niece. They came in this little pouch. It says, glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. Yeah. Last but certainly not least, I have the NCLA So Rich Love Potion cuticle oil, and I love this stuff. I use this, you can't see, but it smells effing delicious. This is my favorite thing out of the box by far. This box does retail for $25. And I got 5 items, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 5 items this go around. And I am satisfied with the oil in the Nostalgia palette. Wait, no, 1. Yeah, 5 items. I got 5, y'all. I can't count. I am satisfied with those things. Let's go ahead and calculate the total value of my box. I'm going to use the calculator on my computer today because I am using my phone. So let's see what comes up. So we have that Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette that retails for $38.99. We have the Tula Skin for $32. The Wander Beauty Blush for $22. The Glamour brushes for $29.95. And the cuticle oil for $18. So altogether, this box retails for $140.94, which is a win because the box costs $25. With taxes and everything, I believe it comes up to about $27. I'm excited about the Ace Beauty palette, and the cuticle oil was a complete steal for me. So that is $58. So I definitely got my money's worth. And yeah, y'all, tell Boxy Charm, tell Joe. I emailed them and told Joe I need to be on his PRI list so that I can get my boxes quicker. So why don't you guys email them and tell them as well? Comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Like, comment, subscribe to your mama, cousin, sister, auntie, everybody. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace.